Joe, good afternoon to you, Tam. Obviously very legally significant and a big sigh of relief throughout South Africa that the judiciary is still independent.
Yeah, this is what Thuli Madonsela, who is the public protector, whose term of office is finishing sometime in October, said there's 52 pages in the judgment, but it was a unanimous judgment that was delivered by Chief Justice of South Africa, Mogoeng. What is significant in that is not the merits of what Thuli Madonsela had originally said about the Nkandla issue, how much money was paid and all that. It is mainly that the office of the public protector is constitutionally one that must be respected, and its findings must be respected.
A clear vindication.
Yeah, this is what it was all about. And she came out, she has given a press conference where she said this is restoring the rule of law. The economic freedom fighters who brought the initial action, the political opposition, who formerly, most of them were in the ANC and they were fired, led by Julius Malema, say that they want the president to resign immediately.
Sure. They're going for the jugular, as
of course,
expected.
the DA did say that they will invoke Section 89(1) of the South African Constitution. Yeah. But you will need 2/3 majority in Parliament in order to impeach the president. So, but it is very fascinating that the Chief Justice did not mince his words. If you've got time, you can listen to what he had to say about what now needs to happen about returning that money.
Okay.
The National Treasury must determine the reasonable costs of those measures implemented by the Department of Public Works. The President must personally pay the amount determined by the National Treasury in terms of paragraphs 5 and 6 above within 45 days of this court's signification of its approval of the report.
Tam, what's your general analysis of it? I mean, is this the beginning of the end for him? I mean, it's a serious violation of the Constitution, but as I mentioned to him, Salisi, could it be the case that the ANC's majority in Parliament is likely to give him ultimate political cover?
Speaking from the position of someone with legal training, this is the end for President Zuma from a legal perspective, because his position is untenable. He has failed to uphold and protect the Constitution, which is his first public duty. But he is a politician. He can choose to go the political route. His option, if I was in the defense team for him, it would be to go to the to approach the courts and challenge the initial findings of the public protector. So because that is still possible, and the judge did say he should have taken that route other than taking an option to use the committees in Parliament. The other thing that the judge said was those committees, whatever their findings were, the parliamentary committees, their findings have been set aside. So the president, the only thing the president can do now is either approach the top 6 within the ANC, look for a political solution out by challenging the initial findings, or his position by tomorrow morning will be untenable.
And obviously we'll be following it all as it develops further. Thank you, Tam.